Okay then, Kang, so I'd like to talk about another type in TypeScript, enums. Now, enums are a special type in TypeScript which allows us to store a set of constants or keywords and associate them with a numeric value. So say we have some kind of resource type right here, right? And we can pass in any type for that data in the resource. We'd also have a UID, which is a number, and maybe a resource type, which is a number as well. And when we're defining objects, we could pass through a specific number for the resource type, which would then represent a certain type of resource. For example, in our app, resource type 3 might be a book, resource type 4 might be a person, 5 could be a film, 6 could be a video, etc. for various different resource types that we use. Now, this is okay, and you could use that approach, but at some point, it could become harder to maintain this approach because it can get to the point where you have many different resource types. You might not always remember which one belongs to which, and you could find yourself always looking at some kind of index to find out, and it could get a bit confusing, especially if you start to change the numbers. Now, a way we can avoid this is by using an enum. So we could use an enum, which is a way to specify descriptive constants and associate each one with a numeric value, remember. So I could create a constant which represents this 3, a constant that represents this 4. All right, so for example, let me create an enum by saying enum, and I'm going to call this resource type, and then in curly braces, I'm going to create several different keywords or constants, if you like. So for example, book, that represents a resource type, comma, author, we might have that as a resource type, and a film, and then maybe a director, and then also maybe a person, right? So now we have all of these different resource types. Now I could specify right here that resource type must be of type resource type. So now when I define my resource type values, instead of using 3 or 4 or something else, I can say resource type like so, dot, and then it gives me access to all of the different resources I've got. So I don't necessarily need to remember what number is associated with what resource. So I could say, for example, this is a book, and then I could come down here, I could say resource type again, and I could say that this is then a person. Okay, now watch what happens if we log these to the console, console.log, and it's going to be doc1 and doc2. Well, now, if I look over here, we can see that the resource type, it doesn't say book, it doesn't say person, it says a number, 0 for book and 4 for person. That's because this is 0 index, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So each one of these keywords is associated with a specific number. So now we no longer have to maybe remember what number to use for a resource type. Now we can just say resource type dot. It gives us all of the options and we can choose whichever, and it automatically associates that with a specific number behind the scenes.